The Lypertek Soundfree S30 is a bone conduction headphone model. It is IP68, meaning that it is dust tight and waterproof. Now it comes in two colors, beige and black. It has got both Bluetooth and MP3 Dual mode, where you can load your favorite songs into the inbuilt 32GB memory. It has 3 preset equalizer modes: bass mode, balance mode, and vocal mode. It is feather light, weighing at a mere 23 grams, and it is in a titanium frame. In box, you've got the magnetic charging cable, where you can simply charge the headset using the cable, and it has an adapter where you can charge using USB-A or USB-C. This pair of headphones is using Bluetooth 6.0 and has got a playtime of up to 8 hours. On it, you can see the button controls. 2 on the right hand side and the multi-function button on the left hand side. So check out the link in the video description to purchase an open-ear bone conduction headphones from Lypertek.